Want to change your vacuum cleaner's dust bag? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new dust bag. Step 1. Remove the old dust bag. The dust bag is located under the lid of the Hoover. Open the lid of the Hoover and take out the used dust bag. Step 2. Insert the new dust bag. Replace the new dust bag in the same way the old dust bag was. In most cases, you can push the dust bag into the holder until it is secure. Then close the lid of the Hoover again. You have replaced the dust bag and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.